Hello guys and welcome back to my Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the cannot continue to use the application because like the game is corrupted and it's just saying how you have to delete it, etc. So in order to fix this error code, the first thing you guys can do is simply turn the PS4 off. Now you're going to have to wait for this blinking light to completely turn off as well, so it should take about like 10 seconds. You'll know the PS4 has been completely turned off when this blinking light has stopped flashing. Anyways, once the blinking light has stopped flashing and the PS4 has been turned off, what you're going to do is you're going to put the PS4 into safe mode. And if you don't know how to do that, do not worry, I'll show you in this video. What you will need is a USB cable or basically just your PS4 charger. So yeah, so once the PS4 has been completely turned off, you're going to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds. And you should hear 2 beeps. So that was the first one. And that was the second one. Now, once you hear the second one, you can let go. And it should say safe mode popped up. Should give it just give it a second or two. All right, there we go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold on the PS button and you're going to use the D-pads. Now from D-pads, what you're going to do is you're going to go to rebuild database. From here, you're going to click on OK. And why you're doing this is because the database might be corrupt. And that is why you were having the error code in the first place because you have like corrupt files. And what this does is basically completely removes all the corrupt files. And yeah, and it should also take a few hours to a few minutes even. It just basically depends on when the last time you did it was. So yeah. And yeah, so this is how you can fix the error code and stop it from happening once and for all. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.